Hello, hi guys, how you doing, friends? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in to share with you my favorite video, guys. Everything that I used in the month of January. I call this my January Scentsy Empties. Love, love, love doing this video with you guys. Love sharing all the amazing products that I used in the month of January. So the first thing that I use, guys, is pumpkin roll pods. I used double of the pumpkin roll pods, guys. Absolutely loved it. It was amazing. Let me give you a description of the scent. Creamy pumpkin pie filling surrounded with yellow cake pecans, butter, and spice. Some people say pecan, some people say pecan, but I say pecans or pecans. Oh, that smells so good. So I put this in our Scentsy. You can put it in your Scentsy Go, your Scentsy Mini Fan, or you can put it in your wall fan. So I've used it in all of those different areas, guys. Absolutely love our pods. So I use double portions of our pumpkin roll pods. And the next thing that I use, guys, is weathered leather pods. Weathered leather pods. Really, really good. Our pods, guys, they look like this. So when you open up the pods, you just put the pods inside of your mini fan, your Scentsy Go, or your wall fan. Or when I'm done with them, I just throw them in my hamper or put them in my drawer. so love, love, love. And it still gives you scent. And I just keep it there until I can't smell it anymore, and toss it out if I don't smell it, and then I just go buy more of these. So let me give you a description of our weathered leather pods. Step into an old-fashioned saddle shop brimming with dark suede and tooled leather over a backdrop of oak. So yes, loved it. Weathered leather, guys. And the next thing that I used is, let me get you a description of this, is baked apple pie pods. Baked apple pie pods. Flaky crust apples and spices combined in a strong scent. So baked apple pie pods. So those are good too, guys. Love them. The next thing that I use, which is one of my favorite scents, is Winterberry Apple Tea pods. I use double of those Winterberry Apple Tea pods. So Winterberry Apple Tea. Say that fast 5 times. Winterberry Apple Tea. Winterberry Apple Tea. Winter tea cozies up to cranberry apple and honey. Smells good. Love Winterberry Apple Tea. So I use that 2 times, guys. I use it like I use double portions of that. And the next thing that I use is vanilla bean buttercream pods. Decadent buttercream frosting made with the freshest butter whipped with sugar cane and vanilla extract. Or extract. Smells so good. Okay, and the next thing that I use is toasted acorn and oak. Toasted acorn and oak. Guys, if you check out our clearance tab, there's a clearance tab on my website, wicklessallstars.com. Click on the specials tab, then click on clearance. You can find a lot of product that Scentsy has on with discounts from 20% to 60% off in our clearance tab. So check it out, guys. And I got these out of the clearance. And they had some blueberry cheesecake ones in there for like $5. But I got these out of the clearance. So I just wanted to share that with you. Toasted acorn and oak. Toasted acorn and creamy chestnut roasted over golden oak bring warmth to a crisp evening. Loved it. Okay. The next thing that I use is coconut lemongrass pods. Coconut lemongrass pods. Creamy tropical coconut and sunny bright lemongrass set the mood with a kiss of fragrance wherever and whenever it's needed. So coconut lemongrass. So that's what I use for the pods. And the next thing that I use is clothesline pods. Crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, and even a hint of white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry dried naturally in the fresh air anytime you please. So that's clothesline pods. And the next thing that I use is Jammy Time pods. Jammy Time pods help keep, let me read that again. Help kids drift into dreamland with this soothing blend of baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. Perfect for bedrooms and evening baths. So love Jammy Time forever and always. I even use it in my laundry, so I even smell like Jammy Time. Love Jammy Time. Okay, so the next thing that I use is I use double of this Blue Grotto. Blue Grotto, yes, love Blue Grotto, guys. Runaway with fresh tropical notes, sweet citrus, and lush botanicals. So love, love, love Blue Grotto. Love it. So good, so good. And the next thing that I use, guys, you know what I use. I'm a lemon lover. Are you a lemon lover? Love this scent, guys. I do. I'm in love with this scent. Squeeze the Day, guys. Squeeze the Day Pods is what I use. Squeeze the Day. Pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. So I love Squeeze the Day, guys. It's definitely one of my favorite scents right now. On and popping. I love it. The next thing that I use, guys, is black raspberry vanilla. Love black raspberry vanilla. Smells so good. Delicious sun, sweet and dark berries warmed with vanilla. The next thing that I use, guys, is Winterberry Apple Tea in the wax bar. It's winter tea, cozies up to cranberry, apple, and honey. Loved it. The next thing that I use, guys, got this out of the clearance section. Hello. Cranberry pumpkin spice wax bar. Sugar cranberry adds a sweet kick to baked pumpkin, delightfully infused with cinnamon spice. That was good. Enjoyed it. Yes, enjoyed it very much. I really did. Yes, thank you. The next thing that I use, guys, got this at the clearance section. Toasted acorn and oak wax bar. Toasted acorn and creamy chestnut roasted over golden oak bring warmth to a crisp evening. And any bar that you want to get forever, guys, join the Scentsy Club. With the Scentsy Club, guys, you will see all the amazing rewards. Go to my website, wicklessallstars.com. Click on the Scentsy Club tab. It'll give you all the rewards. We have new rewards too. So check out the new rewards that just launched on February 1st. And you can see the amazing, it's amazing. With a $30 order, guys, you get 10% off. With the $60 order, you'll get 10% off plus a half price item. And their referral rewards that you get, and with every dollar that you spend, you get rewards. So check it out. Click on wicklessallstars.com, guys, and click on the Scentsy Club tab for all the amazing details. It's free to join the club, so join Scentsy Club, guys. You're gonna love it, and you can always cancel your Scentsy Club subscription at any time. But I wanted to let you know that it's free to join the club, and you can always cancel it at any time. You can change your frequencies if you want it to come monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. You can just do it. I'm a Scentsy Club subscriber as well. So you too can be a Scentsy Club subscriber too. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Yay! The next thing that I use is Orchard Apple and Spice Wax Bar. Got this at the clearance section. An autumn treat of ripe orchard apple is complemented by bright cherry and a finishing touch of warm spice. An autumn treat of ripe orchid apple, or you can say orchard or orchid. I'll go orchard. Yeah, orchard. So orchard apple and spice wax bar. So an autumn treat of bright orchard apple is complemented by bright cherry and finishing touch of warm spice. You gotta have fun. If you don't have fun, if you can't laugh at yourself, who can you laugh at, huh? Oh my goodness, I tickle myself so much. I crack myself up. I really do, guys. Okay, so that is what I use, but I use double of that, guys. I had two of those, and I got these out the clearance section. So check out my website, wicklessallstars.com, see what's left in the clearance section, because that stuff go fast. And when Scentsy put that stuff in the clearance section, I see it, I'm like, oh, I want to try that, and I put it in my cart. Yep, and I order it, and I'm my biggest customer, so I use all the product. Okay, so the next thing that I used is a peeling apple wax bar. The sugary sweetness of juicy apple and lively pear are even more tempting with a touch of flowering sweet pea. And this is hard for Scentsy. This is like one of Scentsy's bestsellers. So whenever you go and see it, sometimes it's out of stock because everyone's buying it all up. So yeah, check out the new wax. The new catalog dropped this month. So check out all of the new amazing scents that we have for the spring and summer. So those are available as well. Yay. And you can always add those to your Scentsy Club if you want to keep getting them forever. So the next thing that I use, guys, my favorite, Squeeze the Day, guys. Squeeze the Day wax bar. Pucker up, lemon lovers. Are you a lemon lover? Yes, I'm a lemon lover. You officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. So Squeeze the Day, guys. Love it so much. And the next thing that I use, guys, is our lemon verbena counter clean. Pew, pew, pew. Yes, fresh lemon zest, bright lime, and verbena leaf. So I use that, guys. Loved it. And of course, I paired it with some bathroom cleaner for Blue Grotto. Run away with fresh tropical notes, sweet citrus, and lush botanicals. Pew, pew, pew. So cleaning is always fun because everything smells so great. Everything gets so clean. So I love the Scentsy clean products. Use it all, everything, even the all-purpose cleaner. Your floors be looking amazing. I'm telling you guys, you need to give it a try. And the next thing that I used is our Clothesline Scentsy Fresh. Love it. You can spray it on your clothes. You can spray it on your carpets, your furniture, anywhere you want something to smell fresh. Your bedding, you can spray it on that too. But let me give you the description of Scentsy Fresh. This is Clothesline, crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, even a hint of white wicker basket will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry dried naturally in the fresh air anytime you please. So you can spray it on hard to wash surfaces like carpets, furniture, and curtains, anywhere you want to experience long-lasting Scentsy fragrance. So yes, love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put all of these in my little bucket that I have over here. Okay, and the next thing that I used is our Jammy Time whips. I get a tub of this. So you have a small version and then you have a tub. So I know I get the tub all the time with our laundry love bundle. So that's pretty much what I use every time that I want something fresh, something nice and clean. I normally go with that. Okay, so Jammy Time, guys. Jammy Time whips is what I use next. It's Drift in Dreamland with baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. And the next thing that I use, and I normally put my whips in there and let them recharge, but I also have some whips here as well. So I also use with our dryer disc. I said whips. Our dryer disc, not whips, dryer disc. I use our dryer disc, and I normally use like 2 different types. I use the Jammy Time, and I also use the Windowsill Breeze. So you get 2 in each packet. 2 come in each packet. So with Windowsill Breeze dryer disc, it's fresh, clean breeze flutters through crisp linen in a perfect spring moment. And I also used a Windowsill laundry liquid. It's fresh, clean breeze flutters through crisp linen in a perfect spring moment. And I also use our Jammy Time laundry liquid. I use that as well. And it's Drift into Dreamland with baby freesia, lavender, and sweet pea. That is our Jammy Time laundry liquid. But with our Scentsy laundry liquid, guys, you can enzyme the grime. It's a powerful 6-enzyme formula, attacks difficult stains while penetrating cleaning agents. It lifts away the dirt. It leaves laundry remarkably clean. It enlivens your clothes, linens, and towels with a signature Scentsy fragrance. You get 20 fluid ounces, and you can do 50 medium loads with this container. Cleaning power comparable to leading laundry brands. A powerful blend of 6 enzymes targets hard to wash, hard to remove stains. You know, those stains that you get that you can't get out. So this really works. Surfactants lift away dirt and grime. Scentsy's signature long-lasting fragrances enliven your clothes, linens, and towels. Highly efficient and ultra-concentrated formula works well in hot or cold water, free of dyes and coloring agents, and will not stain your laundry. It won't. It just won't. I'm sorry. It just won't stain it. It just won't do it. Okay, so the next thing that I use, guys, is our Autumn Road Trip dish soap. Absolutely love this. Use it. Love it. Love our dish soap. It lasts for so long, guys. It really does. It's very concentrated. It gets all the dishes and everything clean. And let me give you the description. Take a tour through crisp harvest apple, just picked anjou pear, and a forest of towering silver oak. So that is Autumn Road Trip dish soap. And the next thing that I use, guys, I want to give you a description of our maple apple butter, which is what I use. Maple apple bourbon. I said maple apple bourbon because, you know, we used to have a maple apple butter. So maple apple bourbon Scentsy. I use that in hand soap, guys. So I use that in hand soap, but I'm going to give you a description of it, guys. So the description of that is juicy red apple and rich maple. Get in the holiday spirit with a splash of bourbon. So I use that, love that. I love our hand soaps. We have a bigger size now, so I have to order those. We just had that just came out this month, so I have to get that and make that a part of my Scentsy Empty so I can use it. But I love it. We had a clearance sale or a sale where you can get 3 hand soaps at the time for $10.80, and I end up just going crazy buying all of these hand soaps, and I love them. I enjoy them. I wash my hands so many times on purpose just so I can smell like Scentsy. So I walk around smelling like maple apple bourbon. Love it. Love it so much, guys. So the next thing that you could buy, guys, and just in case you didn't know, Scentsy has replacement bulbs. You can find them in all the sizes. If you just click on my website, go to wicklessallstars.com, then click on the wax and warmers tab, then click on the bulbs and accessories tab. Also, you know, shop around, take a look at the new catalog so you can see all the amazing things that are going on. Click on the specials tab, click on the clearance tab, and check out what's going on in there. And don't forget, guys, to subscribe to Scentsy Club. It pays to be a part of the club. Check out all the amazing rewards. You can add so many products, so many items that come to your house. Like I do the Laundry Love bundle where I get the actual, I get the laundry, I get the dryer discs, and I get the tub to come to my house every single month, and or I set it for every other month, or I set it for quarterly, you know, but I set it, and I never run out of my favorite products. I also get the cotton cleanups and all of those amazing things. So guys, I want to thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being a part of my community. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. You're amazing. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.